Here's Typekit in action. Getting started with Typekit for the first time, come over here, hit on add a new website. On add a new website, you're expected to provide your website URL and go ahead to select your default language, so whatever you want your website visitors to see as the default language to your website, you can go ahead and select that. And you can also come over here to select the number of support languages which you want your website visitors to be able to translate your website into. So once you're done selecting your languages, you can then come over here to hit and add new website. Once a new website is added, you find it listed like this on your startup page. Now you can come over here, click here to of course customize how you want your language switcher to look like. So you can hit and customize. At this point, you can also go ahead, add some more languages if need arises. You can also adjust the position of your language switcher, just like you see right here. I can change it to bottom right. I can also change it to my top center as well. I can also switch it to my bottom right, as we can see right there, as well as getting it to my top right. I can also rotate it as much as I want to my right center, as you can have right there, and you can change the colors to meet whatever color your website is designed on. You can also choose your tagline or text you want to appear here, so you could just have select language instead of choose. You could have select language. Alright, so hit and save and continue. Once you successfully get that done, you can then come over to the page overview. On your page overview, you can find your script, and you can of course see your entire translations which you've done. And this is exactly how Typekit will look like on your website. So visiting your website for the first time, Typekit comes up like this, requesting for you to choose your language. So whichever language I want to get this on, I could go ahead, select it. If I'm Arabic, I could go over set that, and it requires that I provide my name. So I could go ahead and set my name here, and it's going to remember me and render all my site into Arabic. So if I visit it the next time, I'm going to have all of this content right inside here, and it does not distort the styling of my website. So that's really how awesome it is to use Typekit to translate any of your website for your first time site visitors. So coming back to your Typekit dashboard and going over to your visitors, you can find the entire visitors which has been captured by Typekit. So right here we have our visitor right here showing that we captured right from Typekit. And you can always come back to your Typekit dashboard to edit or customize your language further. So at this point, you can then come over here to see all your translations. Right inside of the translation, you can of course come here to see your edit functionality. So right on your translate, you can also get to see all translatable text that our AI can also help you translate or suggest text which you can change your front end view into. So right here you can see all the text. So if I was to make some edits within my footer, if I have some errors within my footer, it could be copyright. So if I put it that way, I can also get to see content. I could want to change this, so I can then come over here, say edit. Here we have Typekit new flow. So if I change this now to Typekit app, I have it as Typekit app. If I hit and save changes, this is going to apply on my front end as well, so I don't have to pay any developer to edit my text for me. So coming back to the page right here, I want to go back and I'm selecting English. I hit and save. If you scroll down and hit to refresh this page, you're able to resolve this. Scrolling below, you see here we have the Typekit app. So that's exactly how you can go ahead to use the Typekit AI to rewrite your site remotely, as well as to translate your website without distorting the content to just about anything you want to do. So that's exactly how we get Typekit into action. Thank you.